Hi, it's Anita, your Director of Safety, here with you today to discuss some back safety tips and to provide you with 8 steps to a proper lift. So why do we want you to know how to lift properly? Because we want you free of injury. We want you to be able to work in a safe environment, free of hazards that can harm you. Now, when you lift improperly, you are exposed to a hazard. You are exposed to injury, to back injuries. Now, back injuries are no fun, and back injuries are one of the top 3 injuries that we see within our industry. So what you will need to do to prevent back injuries are the following. I have some tips for you. So number 1, pay attention to your posture. Make sure to keep your back straight, no slouching whenever you're lifting an object. When possible, push an object instead of pulling an object. Keep loads between shoulder and elbow level. Never carry a load below your waist. Avoid stairs and other areas that provide poor footing. Always keep your eyes on the walking path. Don't reach over a surface to pick up an object. Don't obstruct your view by stacking objects too high. Keep your work areas clean in order to avoid slippery floors and tripping hazards. And remember to always get help once you've determined that the load is too heavy for you to lift. The following are 8 steps to a proper lift.
Lift. Step 1. Size up the load. Always assess the object before lifting it. Make sure the load is stable and balanced. Carefully and slowly apply force against the object to determine its weight. If it's too heavy, get help. Step 2. Plan the job. Plan a route that is free of tripping and slipping hazards. Ensure that the planned route allows for easy travel. Know where the object will be unloaded. Step 3. Establish a base of support. Make sure you have firm footing. Keep your feet at least shoulder width apart. A stagger stance with one foot slightly behind the other. Step 4. Bend your knees. Bend at your knees, not at your waist. Bend down as far as necessary using your legs, not your back. Step 5. Get a good grip. Grip the load firmly. Use your whole hand, not just your fingers. Step 6. Lift with your legs. Let your body's powerful leg muscles do the work. Flex your knees and hips, not your back. Avoid bending at the waist. Step 7. Keep the load close. The closer the load is to your spine, the less force it exerts on your back. Maintain the natural inward curve of your lower back. Step 8. Pivot, don't twist. Don't twist your body when moving objects that you have already lifted. Pivot your feet and turn your entire body in the direction of movement.